This is the continuation of my first round of talk on technology transfer process and the problems which are basically associated with it. In the first round, I was basically trying to emphasize on the need of proper modes of identifying the products which are basically being outsourced, or the products which are basically being transferred from the supply country to the recipient country. The recipient country should have a proper mode of identifying the sort of product and the impact that is going to put on the market of the recipient country. So if the recipient country has a free license to market its product, to market the product that it's receiving from the supply country, to sell the product that it's receiving from the supply country, then it can basically use it very profitably, and this would basically result in the creation of a huge amount of revenue. And if the license is restrictive in nature, then buyback is one such mode that can be taken. That can basically take this problem head on. Since Canada is basically trying to supply some sort of software to UAE, and UAE basically has a certain restrictive license in there for selling or rather manufacturing, or for that matter marketing that product, then it can basically go in for buyback, and buyback is one such mode which would basically clear all the problems that might erupt because of restrictive licensing or restrictive license for selling that product. ISO certification basically also helps in identifying and benchmarking the quality of the product, and it's one such method of giving authenticity to product that basically helps in creating a broader market base for the product that basically is coming into the recipient country. But not the least problem that is associated in a technology transfer process is the fact that the issue of technology transfer is not done only through the drafting of any sort of legal agreement. There are issues such as training of work personnel, training of employees who would basically go on to deal with such product. They need to have a broader knowledge and greater perspective as to how to deal with that product. The marketing and research facilities as well, so as to ensure that the product that has basically been received from the supply country and the recipient country has gotten a bigger base of marketing that product, so as to ensure that more and more people of the latter country basically come to know as to what this product is all about and how is it going to create a greater economic growth and greater economic scope for the country. In all, if these problems can be basically be addressed in a systematic way, it can basically pave a way for rather creating a broader scope of technology transfer. And both the supplier and the recipient would benefit from such a technology transfer.